Camry introduces a new generation with the 2025 model year, complete with a range of styling, design, and an updated range of exclusive hybrid powertrains. If you are not satisfied with the front of the upcoming Camry 2025, you can easily mistakenly think that the model is an old model that is considered almost every dimensions. As before, the SE and XSE trim levels are referred to as sportier versions, featuring black grille accents and a more responsive base compared to the chrome trim of the LE and XLE, as well as softer settings. In the spacious interior of the Camry Hybrid, there's plenty of room for adults to feel comfortable in the front and rear seats. The dashboard design is combined with large trim pieces that come from the side of the charger to the infotainment display. In addition, you can also regulate the temperature, humidity, and air ventilation in your home. The XLE and X models added leather seats, leather upholstery, later changed wheels, ambient display, acoustic laminated glass, auto-dimming rear-view mirrors, and adjustable rear seat headrests. The standard infotainment screen is an 8.0-inch unit, but it still uses a larger 12.3-inch unit as an option, and a larger screen is standard on the XLE and XSE models. Either way, both screens explain Toyota's latest software interface, which we found intuitive and fast. All models also come with a digital measurement display, but only the top two trims get the larger 12.3-inch full digital version. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features and work wirelessly in all trims. The 9-speaker JBL stereo system is an optional addition that is only available on the XLE and X trims. A lithium-ion battery with a usable capacity of 0.6 kilowatt-hours at load under the rear seat, and Toyota estimates a combined fuel economy range of 44 to 51 miles per gallon depending on the model. EPA estimates are not yet available. That's 2 miles per gallon cheaper on the low end for the all-wheel drive XSE compared to the family hybrid XSE, which doesn't have AWD, and 1 mile per gallon below the most frugal front drive version. However, the latest Camry Hybrid we tested, the 2018 XLE model, delivered 44 miles per gallon at a highway speed of 75 miles per hour and averaged 40 miles per gallon overall. Any version of the new car is going to be slower than previous models that only used fuel economy. That achieves a combined 32 miles per gallon. For 2025, the family sedan gets a refreshed look and improved frugality by bringing an extensive range of powertrains, which last year featured a V6 as well as hybrid and non-hybrid 4-cylinders to just 2 hybrid options. The new Camry Hybrid produces 232 horsepower. Toyota hasn't announced yet, but we could see a more powerful Camry Prime plug-in hybrid this time around, too. The interior has undergone changes with more modern infotainment technology and styling inspired by the larger Crown sedan, but the Camry Hybrid remains a mid-size car used to carry passengers like the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata.